Hello. This is Athar Hashim, a math teacher. I would be glad to help. I'm looking forward to see your comments, suggestions, any topics you would like to understand. I can explain math in English or in Arabic. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Today's video, I'll start explaining absolute value equations. And this topic is really interesting and easy one. To understand how to solve absolute value equations, first of all, I need to understand the concept of absolute value. Let's start with easy example. The absolute value of x is equal to 5. As you see here, these two vertical lines means the absolute value. The absolute value of x is equal to 5. This is easy example. I can guess what is the value of x. X could be 5 or x could be minus 5. X could be 5 or minus 5. But why? Because the absolute value means the distance, and the distance is always positive. The distance between 5 and 0. On the number line, if I ask, what is the distance between 0 and 5? The answer would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is very easy. Also, if I ask, what is the distance between 0 and minus 5? 0 and minus 5. The distance is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the distance is always positive. That's why the absolute value of x is equal to 5 has two answers. Okay, let's take more complicated one. What if I have the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 7? How can I solve this example? Okay, to solve absolute value equation, always concentrate on what inside the absolute value. What inside the absolute value is x minus 2. Put in your mind that we have two cases. Either x minus 2 is equal to positive 7 or x minus 2, again, the expression inside the absolute value, is equal to minus 7, negative 7. So we have two cases here. What inside the absolute value is equal to 7, or what inside the absolute value is equal to minus 7? As you see here, we have two simple equations. I can solve them easily. I'll add 2 for both sides in order to isolate x. So x is equal to 7 plus 2 here is 9, or I will add 2 also to both sides because I want to isolate x. Okay, so x is equal to minus 7 plus 2, which is minus 5. So what are the solutions? The solutions are 9 and minus 5. You can check the answers easily by substituting these values in the equation or replacing x by these values. We can just check. For example, if I want to check if minus 5 is correct answer, I will replace x by minus 5. And I'll check if I will get 7 or not. Minus 5 minus 2, this is minus 7. And the absolute value of minus 7 is 7. So the answer is correct. Okay. Let's make more things more complicated. What if we have 2x minus 4 is equal to 10? As I said, concentrate on what inside the absolute value. Always concentrate on what inside the absolute value. Here, this expression is 2x minus 4. So this is the first case. 2x minus 4 is equal to 10. Or what is the second case? The second case is 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 10. And I will solve each equation. Here, first I'll add 4 to both sides. So 2x, I'm left with 2x is equal to 10 plus 4, which is 14. Now, to isolate x, all what you have to do is to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 7. The same thing I will do with the second equation. I will add 4 to both sides. So we are left with 2x is equal to minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. And then I will divide both sides by 2 in order to isolate x. Now x is equal to minus 3. So what are the solutions? The solutions are 7 and minus 3. Great. Okay, what if we have this situation? The absolute value of 3x minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Do you think I will have two cases? No, this is not the case. Actually, the answer here is directly phi, no solution. Why? Because the absolute value we said that it is the distance. The distance cannot equal to negative value. The distance cannot be negative. So absolute value cannot be negative value. And this is the answer. Great. What if we have this case? 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Great. Here we have only one case, which is what inside the absolute value, as I said, which is this expression, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, because as you know, there is no positive or negative 0. So we have only one solution in this case. So to solve this equation, I will subtract 1 to both sides, and then we are left with 2x is equal to minus 1, divide both sides by 2 to isolate x, so x is equal to minus 0.5. This is the end. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask.